Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Now, today we'll be solving the worksheet number 4. Now, see, whenever I'm solving the grammar portion and the vocabulary portion, please listen carefully. These are all the English basics which you should know, children. Okay, now it's simply vocabulary. Actually, vocabulary is, there's n number of question on vocabulary. You cannot select that, okay, particular only this, only you have to focus on. Okay, as and where they give it in the book and the workbook, we try to put it on the worksheet. All the important concept which you should know, that we have taken up. Okay, beta. So today we are going to begin up with the this poem. We have already started brother and sister, and we felt like some of the phrases and vocabularies are important for you. So we are going to try to understand with the help of this worksheet, children. Okay. Now let me begin. You want me, or I'll remove this because so that you can concentrate, focus on this part. Okay, children. Now question number 1 says that you guess the following word. जैसे आप हिंदी में बोलते हो ना, पहेली, भाई इस चीज़ का क्या होगा, है ना, वैसा उस टाइप का. The clues are given, word is given. Okay, few words are given. Just we have to find the clue. We have to judge. Okay, now they have one more clue they have given, that all these words जो आंसर आएंगे ना, they all end in AGE, age. एज में होना, खत्म होना चाहिए. Okay, now here this is a book. Maybe the picture is not clear. It's a book, children. Okay, not a book. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's not a book. It's a page. Here they have given this. It is found. Okay, book के अंदर में आपको दिखता है ये, found in a book, ending with age. So the answer is going to be the page. Next, now can you see this? Animals are kept inside for keeping the tigers. Not only tiger, other animals are also kept. Yes, I know, because when I'm in the class, the children, they keep answering this. It's a cage. Oh, great anger. Many times you must have been angry. This is called rage. R-A-G-E, rage. Next, money every week. Like laborers usually they work, मजदूर लोग जो काम करते हैं ना बेटा, फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड ऑल एंड अदर प्लेसेस, उनको वीकली मनी मिलता है. लाइक मंडे टू सैटरडे इज 1 week, सो दे गेट, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेज. ओके. अ वाइज मैन, एक बहुत अच्छा इंसान, अ वेरी नोबल पर्सन, ही इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेज. हिंदी में कैसे हैं? संत, है ना, साधु संत, SAGE, सेज, है ना. सी ऑल द वर्ड्स आर एंडिंग इन age. Okay, now use the following phrases in the sentence of your own. Now children, phrases means, phrases is incomplete sentence. ये sentence नहीं होता है. It's only a phrase. What is phrase? It's an incomplete sentence. We have to use this to make a sentence. ठीक है बेटा. The first one is as light as a feather. So we can write that my bag is as light as feather. Why? Because it is empty. है ना? Next, as proud as a peacock. Rahul is proud as peacock as he has won the match. पता है कितना घमंडी है. And at times you feel proud. Proud moments are there. PROUD, proud it is. Okay. As a peacock, as he won the match. Okay, children, I'm going to send the PDF, the written PDF to you. So if you're not able to understand here, you can go through the PDF also. I'm sending a handwritten PDF. Okay, if you're not able to understand my sentence, you can copy down from that worksheet. Next, as stupid as a donkey. Okay, we should never call someone, isn't it children? आपको कभी किसी को बुलाना नहीं चाहिए. We should never call someone as stupid as a donkey. ठीक है बेटा. See, if you're not able to understand, no need to worry. I'll be sending the PDF. Okay. Now, next, as good as gold. So you can say that my sister is good as gold. My mama is good as gold. As she takes care of me. My sister is good as gold. As she helps me in my work. Okay. My sister. Okay, 1 minute. I'll put it down. Will it move? No. My sister is as good as gold as she helps me as she helps me in my work. Okay, in my work. As green as grass. I could not see the snake as it was as green as grass. Children, I have the written part I'll be sending you. तो please उसको refer करना बेटा. As green as grass. I could not see the snake as it was as green as grass. Next, as dry as bone. This I'll write for you. Okay. The farm was as dry as grass. Why? Why? Because it was a summer time, during summer. क्योंकि समर में क्या होता है, बारिश नहीं आती है तो ज़मीन पूरी सूख जाती है. ओके. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन 3, व्हाट आर दे डूइंग. आपको एक्शन वर्ड लिखना है बट इट शुड एंड इन ING. द फर्स्ट वन, डांसिंग. ओके. Now next one, eating, EATING. And this one, they are fishing. Fish पकड़ रहे हैं. So fishing, ING. Now children, use the picture clue. Here it is, a picture is given for completing the sentence. And here in the bracket they have given an action word. They have given action word in the bracket, like for one example. This is first example. Then here write is given, sit is given. We अब उसको ING में change करना है और हमको लिखना है वो किस काम आता है. Like for example the first one, आप needle देखो, सुई. A needle is used for sewing. वो किस काम आता है. Similarly pen, है ना. A pen is used for writing. A pen is used for writing. Write will become writing. Okay. Then sit. A chair is used for sitting. A chair is used for SITTING, sitting. Then eat. It's a fork. A fork is used for eating. Isn't it easy? A fork is used for eating. And the last one, paint. A brush is used for painting. Children, all the written one in the form of a PDF I'll be sending. Okay, so from there also you can see and write it down. Okay. Now children, here is some 4 example I have taken. Okay, let us discuss this example. This is a chair. A chair is used for sitting. Okay. Pen. A pen is used for writing with. Okay. This is a glass. A glass is, it's a glass. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, चश्मे को क्या बोलते हैं, glass. Okay. The glass the glass is used for wearing. Okay. No, sorry. A glass is used for seeing. Sorry. A glass is used for seeing. आपको देखने के लिए आप use करते हो. What is this paint brush used for? है ना. A brush is used for painting. ठीक है बेटा. These are the few examples which again I have discussed with you. Okay. So I hope you must have understood this. Listen 2-3 times and you will be able to understand, children. Please solve the worksheet.